can't even open up the door with this. Now that's a grill. Now you can kind of understand the functionality of how high class this is and how heavy this is. That's what you want. Didn't have to do anything special with it except put it together, put it on a grate, close it, put it in, enter a few things, start, and then you just had to watch. I didn't even have time to pour my coffee. Oh wow, look at that. I've just perfected a steak in a quick amount of time that smells amazing. That is a ribeye, 1 minute, 30 seconds. It's like butter. Look at that. Look at how perfect. Oh, that's good. Oh, you ain't no. Oh, that's good. And then I have to go across the street to that steakhouse again. I don't remember the last time I even had a steak like this because I usually don't think I'm very good at cooking. Anybody can now be a star chef and crazily show their friends how good they are. So what's better than having friends over and do this? The one thing that I really like about it is sometimes you look at technology things and you're like, okay, you're gonna suffer the way something looks for the taste, but it looks nice. It looks like a nice high-end piece of machinery that's nice to show off in your home. Whether you're a grilling person or say maybe you want to be a grilling person and we're always saying, I don't know if I'm going to do it just right. Man, you could tell everybody you're a perfect chef after this.